Check out this 2012 Chevrolet Sonic LTZ. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are front-wheel drive, satellite radio, engine immobilizer, intermittent wipers, bucket seats, rear side airbag, cruise control, and AC. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.